Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Très bien. Très bien. All of you keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Andrea, Kalbi, Sheba, Veda.
Mama, I can't on my video.
You can't on your video. Okay. What happened? Okay, though. So in the last class, we were doing the exercises from the textbook, right? In the last class, we were doing the textbook exercises and we completed till exercise 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll continue today with the exercise itself. Take page number 28. I think it's in page number 28. Those who have textbook, take your textbook. Page number 28. Yes, yes, it's in page number 28. So exercise 5 was match the following and we did that already.
Yes,
And now in next exercise, exercise 6, here you have to put the missing accents. Put the missing accent, that is a question. In the test paper also we did the same, we did an exercise in a similar way. I asked you to rewrite with the missing accent. Here you don't have to rewrite, but you have to put the missing accent. See the first one, first word is baby. So here, which accent will come here for baby? For baby, which accent will come? Why Aman is responding? Benedict, which accent will come for baby?
Laxo egg.
Laxo ague. Laxo ague we have to put here for both is. Laxo ague. Like this, you have to complete this exercise. There are total 10 words. I will give you all 1 minute. All have to do this one. Okay, those who didn't complete that, complete it, and I will ask you individually this one, and you have to tell me the name of the accent. Okay, when I'll ask you, you have to tell me the name of this accent. Kalbi, do you have textbook, Kalbi? Kalbi? Kalbi, if you don't respond, then I won't give you attendance. Your camera is off. You are telling your camera is not, you are not able to on your camera, and you are not even unmuting your mic. I won't give you any attendance. Aradhya, keep your camera on, Aradhya.
Mama, my camera is on.
Now your camera is on. Sit straight, Aradhya, and to do the exercise, page number 28, exercise 6.
Ma'am, I have already finished it.
Already done. D'accord. Page number 28, Jovial. 28, 28. Andrea, keep your camera on, Andrea. Andrea, Binu. Adish, keep your camera on.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Now your video is on and I can see you now. Earlier it was off. Senin, you completed the exercise 6. Do. Find the answers. Exercise 6, you have to put the missing accent, page number 28. After that, once you did, we'll discuss the answers. Find out the When I call you, I will ask you the name of the accent also. Page number 28. Rahul Krishna? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do. Ardra, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, how will you say in French? Ardra, how will you say yes, ma'am in French?
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame. Oui, please respond in French. And I told I will check everyone's notebook, right? You are ready with your notebooks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I will ask. Once we finish the exercises, I will ask your notes.
Ma'am, I joined late. What should we do?
Neha, take page number 28. In the last class, we completed till exercise 5. And now we are going to start from exercise 6, page number 28. And the question is, put the missing accents. Accents are missing here. You have to just put the missing accents. Page number 28, 28. Ardra, keep your camera on, Ardra. Ardra PS, keep your camera on. Put the missing accent and also will ask you the accent name. You should know the name also. Adish, keep your camera on, Adish.
Ma'am, it's turning off itself.
Tuning off itself. Okay. I will remind you when it's going off. Okay, no problem. Shall we discuss the answers? All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. You can mute now. You can mute now. I will ask individually. Veda, word number 2. Fei. Word number 2, fei.
Yes, ma'am.
Which accent will come for fei, Veda?
Laxo ague.
Laxo ague on which letter?
E.
On top of E, on top of first E. And do you know what is the meaning of fei? What is fei meaning? Fairy. Oui, fei means fairy. Fei means fairy.
Ma'am, we need to write.
Fei means fairy. The meanings are already there in the textbook. Textbook, it is already there in page number 25. Meaning column, it is already there. But if you want to write near to that word, if you want, you can write with your pencil. Everyone is writing with your pencil, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't use pen. Then, second one, désolé moi. Third one, Aradhya. Third one, garçon. Garçon.
Garçon.
Oui.
Ma'am, I don't know that accent's name, but I know that accent.
Well, you know that accent. You tell me which letter will carry that accent. Which letter? Which alphabet? C will carry that accent. Okay. So for C, we only learned one accent which carries C. That is Laxo. Laxo? Laxosadil. 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 Accent is like this below C. I will write properly here like this. And this is laxosadil. All of you repeat. Sadil. We. Aradhya, you got it now, right? You will now you will not forget it, right? That is
Laxosadil.
Oui, d'accord. Then fourth one, Adish. Fourth word.
Ma'am.
Francais.
Francais.
It's not Francais. France.
France.
We. Then which accent will come there?
Ma'am,
Adish, Adish. I am asking to Adish, okay? Others, mute.
ma'am, in C.
On C, that accent will come. Okay, which C that accent will come, and what is the name of the accent? Now itself we said the name of that accent. Now, just now. Sedil. What is the accent? Sedil. We. Name of the accent. No, don't forget the name of the accent. That is Sedil. And what is the meaning of France? France means? Not France. France means not France. French. Oui. France means French. French. What is the meaning of garçon? Boy. Garçon means boy. And Français means French. Then fifth one, Noël. Amrin. Noël. What is the meaning of Noël? Amrin? Noël. Christmas. No, that's not Christmas tree. Noël means Christmas. Christmas. Okay. And which accent will come here for Noël? Trema. We. Laxo trema. On which letter? O or E? E. We. On top of E, we will have to put 2 dots, and the name of the accent is Laxo trema. Trebia Amrin. Ensuite, Dave, John.
Yes,
6. Heroine.
Laxotrema.
Laxotrema on top of which letter?
Ma'am, on the top of I.
We on top of I, we have to put here 2 dots. Already 1 dot is there, so you have to put 1 more here. And only that much, Dave?
No, ma'am. We
Then?
need to put in the top of O, we need to put 1 more sign.
On top of O.
Not O.
No. E.
E. On top of E, there is 1 more accent. And what is the name of that accent? Laxo aigu. We. Laxo aigu on top of letter E. D'accord. Très bien, Dave. Ensuite, Benedict.
Yes,
7. Mère. Mère.
Mother.
We. Mère means mother. Laxo aigu. Are you sure?
Laxograph.
Laxograph. Mare is having laxograph, not laxo aigu.
Okay.
Laxograph. D'accord. Benedict, write and study the spelling of mare. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ensuite, Ronit. 8th one. Pair. What is the meaning of pair, Ronit? Father. And which accent will come here for father? Pair.
Laxograph.
That's not laxograph. Laxograph. How will you pronounce on it?
Laxograph.
Oui, laxograph. D'accord. Ensuite, Abdiel. 9th one, Abdiel. A tail. A tail. Page number 28.
Ma'am, can I hidden?
Abdiel. I called Abdiel. Hotel. Page number 28. 9th word. Hotel.
That I don't know, but 10th one I know.
That you don't know, but 10th one you know. Hotel. Which accent will come for hotel? Aiden.
Circumflex.
Laxo circumflex. We laxo circumflex on top of letter O. Laxo circumflex. Abdiel, what is the name of that accent?
Laxocircumflex.
We laxo circumflex. Ensuite, Muhammad Ishan, 10th one.
Yes, ma'am.
10th one, Ishan.
Tete.
Tet. The pronunciation of that word is tet. Tet. And which accent will come here?
Lactose circumflex.
We laxo circumflex on top of the first E. And what is the meaning of tetta? Tetta means?
Don't know.
Who know that? What is the meaning of tetta? We there.
I'm head.
Head. Tetta means head. Those who don't know the meaning, right here near to that word. Tetta means head. Tetta means head. Tetta. Now all of you repeat after me these words. Baby.
Baby.
Fille.
Face.
Garçon.
Garçon.
Français.
Français.
Noël.
Noël.
Héroïne.
Héroïne.
Mère. Père.
Père.
Hôtel.
Hotel.
Tetta. What's the meaning of fairy? Fairy.
Fairy.
Fairy. Fairy is fairy. Then, wait. What is fairy? Fairy is fairy. Then what is tetta?
Head.
Tetta means head. Okay. Then moving to the next exercise, 7th one. Here, solve the puzzles with the guidelines given below. There are few guidelines given for you here. With the help of that, you have to solve the puzzle. You have to fill these columns. So, 7th one, first question. How would you, all of you please mute? Few of your mics are not muted. Abdel. How would you greet your teacher in the morning?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oui. So write everyone here. And what is the spelling? Abdel, give me the spelling.
Bonjour.
Très bien, Abdel. Ensuite, Cassina. Second one. How would you greet your friends?
Sabah.
How will you greet your friends? I am not asking how will you ask how are you. Cassina, how will you say, how will you greet your friends when you see them?
Salute.
Salute. Oui. And give me the spelling, Cassina.
S-L-U-T.
Salute. Salute. Give me the spelling properly. S.
L.
No. Not SL. I am asking to Cassina, okay? Others, mute. S-A-L-L-U-T. Oui. S-A-L-U-T. Salute. Oui. Très bien, Cassina. Ensuite, the third one. Andrea Binu, third one. You are going to your aunt's house in the night. How will you greet her? You are going to your aunt's house in the night. How will you greet her? Andrea, tell me. Third one.
Ma'am, we cannot hear her.
We cannot hear. Andrea, you are saying something, Andrea?
Yes, she's saying something.
Others mute. Andrea, I'm not able to see her. Others, please mute. Where is she? Andrea. Yes, Andrea, say. No, Andrea, check your mic. There is some issue with your mic. Jovial, give me the reason. Give me the answer. You are going to your aunt's house in the night. How will you greet her?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Oui. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good evening. Ensuite, staying. Fourth one. While leaving your aunt's house, you say, when you leave your aunt's house, what will you say?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Oui. Au revoir. Au revoir. Ensuite, Veda, you are not feeling too well. What do you say? You are not feeling too well, not well. So what will you say, Veda? One, say it again. It's not pasmal. Pronunciation is pamal, but the answer is not that. Pamal means not bad. Here they are saying you are not well.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Savamal. We, Savamal. Give me the spelling, Veda. Veda, unmute and give me the spelling.
C-A-V-A.
C with laxosedil. Don't forget to put the laxosedil, all of you. C with laxosedil. Then A. V-A. Then
M-A-L.
M-A-L. We, d'accord. Right. C with laxosedil. Don't forget to put. Muhammad Ishan, please keep the thing that you have in your hand aside. Those who haven't completed this yet, complete fast. We are moving to the next page after this. I am giving the chance for the late joiners. Those who joined late.
Ma'am, I have completed.
No problem. Page number 28, Anandita. Page number 28. What happened? Why were you late? You woke up late today?
Ma'am, I said I have completed the puzzle.
Okay, Anandita. D'accord. Shall we move to the next page?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait. So next page. Write 5 words with the help of the alphabet given. You have to write 5 words with the help of the alphabets given here, and you can't write any word with the accents because here accents are not provided. If accents are provided, then you can choose the accents also. But here we don't have accent. So when you write the word, you can write any word without these accents. So first word, what can we write here for first one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
bonjour.
Bonjour, oui, bonjour. Then?
Pasmal.
Pamal, oui, you can write pamal. See, someone is saying again pasmal. It is not pasmal, pamal. Then?
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue, oui. Bienvenue, then?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Oui.
For bonjour, we need exclamation mark, right?
Yeah, we put here exclamation mark also. I didn't put because here we don't have the accents and marks here.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Salut, we can write salut.
Bonjour.
Au revoir, oui. Au revoir. Right. Copy down fast.
I'm finished.
Ma'am, we can write
Any word. Don't write a word with the accent. Don't write a word with the accent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we should put the exclamation marks.
You can put exclamation mark here. When you write for exam, when you write the greetings, put exclamation mark there. On see the 9th one. Shall we move to the 9th one?
Yes,
ma'am.
Wait, 9th one, add the missing accents. Add the missing accents. Anandita, first one. I am calling Anandita, first one.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Give me the spellings. I am asking to Anandita. Others, please mute. Anandita, you unmute again.
B-O-N-G-O.
Not G-J.
J-O-U-R.
Bonjour, then
M-O-R.
M-O-R.
M-O-N.
M-O-N.
S-I.
S-I. E-U-R. Takko Anandita?
Yes, ma'am.
Another right hand side is the spelling of Monsieur. Dakko?
Ma'am.
Dakko. Ensuite, Rahul, Krishna. Second one.
Sava.
Sava, V. C-A-V-A. Dakko. Ensuite, Neha, Mary. Third one.
Oruva.
Spelling.
A-U-R-E-V-O-I-R.
V-R-E-V-O-I-R. Oruva. Ensuite, Abdiel. Fourth one, Abdiel.
Fourth one, salute.
Spelling.
S-A-L-U-T.
V. Sallu Eric. Sallu Eric. Eric is the name of a person. Then fifth one, Adish. Fifth one.
Kavya Mercy.
Adish, pronunciation is not Kava. Pronunciation is Sava. Sava Bia Mercy. Spelling. C with laxo. Sadie. Then.
C-A-B-A. B-I-E-M.
V.
M-E-R-C-I.
V. Sava Bia Mercy. Trebia. Adish. Keep the pronunciation of Sava in mind. It is not Kava. Pronunciation is Sava. Ensuite, Dave John. Sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. Bonui.
Spelling.
B-O-N-N-E-N-U-I-T.
V. Bunui. Trebia. Dakko.
I finish all.
No, one more is there. So the next exercise is like, which greetings are in French? The section is like this. I will make you listen to an audio. You have to listen to that. And if that greeting is in French, you have to put tick for oui. If the greeting is not in French, you have to put tick for no, like that. But we don't have the CD here, audio clip here. So I will be saying few greetings and you have to listen and then put tick there. Okay, you don't have to say just all the words. I will say twice. 2 times I will say. You have, if it is in French, you have to put tick there. If it is not in French, put tick for no. And there will be total 5 words. Here it is only given 4 options. So you can write 5 last. Put 5 there below. Stenin, are you listening? Wake up, Stenin. I think Stenin is stuck. Stenin, what were you thinking, Stenin? I was calling you for many times. Okay, so 5 you can add here 5. There are total 5. There will be total 5 words. Okay, so the first word, bonjour. Bonjour. If it is in French, you can put tick for oui. If it is not in French, put tick for no. Bonjour. Then second one, hello. Hello. Word number 3, salut. Salut. Word number 4, namaste. Namaste. Word number 5, au revoir. Au revoir.
Ma'am, can you say the second one?
Say the second one?
Only all the words will be said twice. Okay, if I'm playing the CD will say the word twice and it will go. Okay, so you have to be very attentive when I am saying the word. One more time I will say. This time I will say only one time.
Okay, ma'am.
1, bonjour. 2, hello. 3, salut. 4, Namaste. 5. Au revoir. Done? Okay.
Yes.
So yes, first one, bonjour. Wow. Is it
Yes.
oui? So you will tick for oui. Oui. Hello?
Yes.
No.
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 Hello? No. Salute. Third one, salute.
Yes.
Oui.
Yes. Oui.
See, we learned the word oui. So we now onwards we are going to say oui, not yes. Then
Ma'am.
fourth one, namaste.
No.
No. Fifth one, au revoir.
Yes. Yes.
Oui. Who said yes again? Oui. Oui.
Oui. Ma'am, for no, what we will say?
No itself. For no in French, it is no itself.
Fifth one is not there.
Fifth one is there. Put the add. You can add there. 5.
Ma'am, picture is not there.
A picture, that is fine. No, you just don't see that. Okay, so with this we completed lesson 1, textbook exercises, and I asked everyone to be ready with your notebook.
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Ready? Okay, take your books, notebook, everyone. Let me see.
Ma'am, do you call name?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I will check. I will check one by one. I will check. Okay. We.
Ma'am, in the alphabet, you have given us that igloo. After that,
Jaguar is not the. I know.
Why don't you give Jaguar?
Jaguar spelling is in English and in French it is same. No, that is why I didn't give you. Actually. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, will you call in attendance order?
I will call in attendance order. Abdiel, others please mute. Abdiel, unmute. And
Page.
first
Ma'am,
page.
first page.
Okay. You can turn. Last page you show me. Last page you show me. Part 1 and part 2 completed, right, Abdiel?
Yes.
D'accord, très bien, very good. Ensuite, Adish Nair. Adish. Oui, Adish, that's your first page. And show me the last page, Adish. Part 1 and part 2 both completed, right, Adish?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell Abdiel to mute?
Abdiel, please mute. Adish also done. Then next one is Adish Angar. Adish Angar. Oui, show me your book. Okay, très bien, Adish, très bien. Ensuite, Ahlam is absent. Okay, Ahlam is absent. Then next one is Aiden. Aiden.
Present.
Oui, show me Aiden. Okay, done. Très bien. Ensuite, Ajwa. Where is Ajwa? Ajwa is not there. Absent. Then Amrin. Yes, Amrin, show me. Très bien, Amrin. Ensuite, Anandida.
Yes, ma'am.
Anandida. Oui, Anandida. D'accord. Ensuite, Andrea.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. Say, please respond in French. Oui, Andrea. Très bien. Anna Rose.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. Anna. How will you say yes, ma'am?
Oui, madam.
D'accord. Anna, can you on your camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madam.
Sure.
Ma'am, I had some network issues.
Did you completed the notes, Anna?
Ma'am, I had network issues.
Did you complete the notes, Anna?
I couldn't.
You couldn't complete the notes.
Yes.
When will you write and show me? When will you write and show me? Next class, Anna?
Next class.
Oui. D'accord. Next class you have to complete and show me. D'accord.
Oui.
Aradhya?
Oui, madam.
Show? Oui, Aradhya. Très bien. Ensuite, Ardra?
Oui, madame.
D'accord, Ardra. Très bien. Ensuite, Aisha? Aisha absent. Ensuite, Azra? Azra absent. Ensuite, Benedict?
Oui, madame.
Benedict. Très bien, Benedict. Ensuite, Bhagya? Bhagya absent. Then Cassina?
And I completed and show you.
So you didn't write it now. Write later. You next class.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
D'accord. Ensuite, Dave, Dan Antonio, Dan absent. Ensuite, Dave John.
Oui, madame.
Très bien, Dave. Ensuite, Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Eberis, sure. Très bien, Fatima. D'accord. Ishan Rajiv. Ishan Rajiv absent. Absent. Jovial.
Ma'am.
Completed Jovial.
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Très bien, Jovial. Ensuite, Meha.
Oui, madam.
D'accord. Très bien, Meha. Muhammad Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord. Completed, right, Ishan?
Yes.
Oui. Neha?
Oui, madam.
2 line. Okay, you wrote in completed. Oui?
Yes.
Oui. Neha. Nobin?
Ma'am, right then.
You didn't write? Will you show me in the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord.
I only finished part 1.
D'accord. Kalbi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. Show Kalbi? Completed Kalbi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. D'accord. Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. Très bien, Rahul. Ryan Harris? Absent. Ensuite, Ryan Yunus? Absent. Ronit? So, if I called your name, then you can leave, okay? So, when I called your name and if you show me the book, you can leave then. Nobin? Ronit is not there. Then Sarah? Sarah? No. Absent. Shaza? Show Shaza? Completed Shaza? Sheba? D'accord, Sheba. Ensuite, Stenin?
Oui, madam.
Show Stenin? D'accord. Tejasri? Not there. Absent. Veda?
Oui, madam.
Completed Veda, right? Très bien, Veda. Ensuite, Zain? Not there. Fida? Not there. D'accord. Is there anyone else to show? Yes, everyone showed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you can leave. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Madam.